Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store apps not downloading on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First solution, go to the search bar and type Microsoft Store. Right-click on it and click on App Settings. Now scroll down and find the Repair option, then click on Repair. After that, click on Reset. Now go to the search bar again and type CMD. Run command prompt as administrator. Now copy all the commands from the description and run them one by one. If Windows finds any corrupted files, it will automatically repair them. After that, go to the search bar and type Settings, then open it. Now click on Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and install all pending updates. Then restart your computer once. So guys, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.